Well, it's Thursday evening at our law firm, and like I always do in the summer, I always put out my weekend advice on Thursday evenings because I know a lot of people are going to the shore or the river or the lake tonight as opposed to tomorrow to beat the traffic. So with that said, as always, I discuss DUI and DWI in New Jersey and Pennsylvania. If you're traveling through New Jersey or Pennsylvania and you are stopped for suspicion of DUI, it is very important that you do not refuse the chemical test, whether it be a breathalyzer test or a blood test or the alcohol test in New Jersey. It will not help your case. If you are stopped and the officer wants to search your car, remember that warrantless searches are permissible in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Police don't need a search warrant to search your car. If police are asking for permission to search your car, more than likely they don't have probable cause, and that's why they're asking. If you give consent to search your car, you are waiving your rights under the Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and U.S. Constitution. You don't want to do that. If police do want to search the car, don't get in their way. Obviously, don't give consent, but don't get in their way. Don't engage the officer. Don't argue with the officer. Just simply tell him or her you're not giving consent and leave it at that. Do not in any way get in his way. It will just make things more complicated, possibly lead to a resisting arrest, possibly an aggravated assault charge. With regards to driving through Pennsylvania, remember that when it comes to searches and drug use, police can search a car based on the smell of marijuana. But remember that those searches are limited to the cabin of the car. Now, don't get in the officer's way again if he wants to search the trunk, but just understand that I've written articles on that. Usually, when it comes to the smell of marijuana, those searches are contained within the cabin of the car. Do not get into the trunk. With regards to traveling in either state with a gun, remember that Pennsylvania and New Jersey have very different gun laws. New Jersey will not honor a license to carry in Pennsylvania, so your license to carry from Pennsylvania will do no good to you in New Jersey. Remember that in New Jersey, if you're found in possession of a gun and you do not have a permit, most people don't, it is a mandatory minimum 42-month mandatory minimum state prison sentence. So keep that in the back of your mind. Tomorrow, as always, I will come out with my weekly blog, which provides a lot of information. It also provides links to my website, GamboneLaw.com. If you have questions over the weekend, remember that a lot of our calls and our cases come in over the weekends because people obviously are out and about. And that's the reason why we have a 24-hour number in both Pennsylvania and New Jersey. In Pennsylvania, 215-755-9000. In New Jersey, 856-793-7429. Our website, GamboneLaw.com, a tremendous resource for you and your family. Again, on the site, there's all my downloadable books, there's my videos, there's everything you need to help you with your criminal case. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you all soon.